I am going to be catching up today. I haven't coded in about a week or so, and uh, is this camera okay? Yeah, I think it's okay. We need to just get back into it. I took a little bit of a break, had to just relax, spend some time with my family a little bit, and now we're going to jump back into it. I feel like I forgot every single command. Is it Shift Alt? I don't know. I don't know what running is. Oh, it's just F5. Okay. So let's start our emulator and get back into it. So last time I remember, we just finished filtering the apps to be proper and oh, right. We were working on making the infrastructure for our blocked app list so that we can save any app that we want to block into our cache. I also thought right now we are saving everything into a JSON format, and then we're saving it into a local cache system, which is stored somewhere in the app, which I'm not really sure how Flutter does it, but we're using the shared preferences plugin, which you can find on pub.dev. And it's just a Flutter plugin that allows us to save things into local cache storage. So it allows us to save preferences or save specific values. I think that if it is safe, I would like to store the JSON values at some point into a text file because it would probably save memory. I mean, at the end of the day, it's the same amount of data, but you never know. Maybe adding things into a text file might help. So anyway, that's just some things that I thought about. It seems like the last time that we were here, I committed some things. I don't know. It looks like I committed it. Let me see if I actually pushed it. I did not. So this is 2 months ago. So let me I already committed it. So let's do a git push and see if this works. It probably won't work because I might need to change something in the main file. It might fail testing because our debug is enabled. Now, I usually have a test-driven environment, but I have been slacking. What is this? A value of scheduled item. Oh, whoa, whoa, whoa. Focus mode page start. What did I do? This is the problem with with taking a break from coding. You just kind of forget what happened. 43 through 50. Oh, you know what this is? Ugh. Sometimes values get messed up here. So let's see, because this is libsource, libsource profile, personal profile dart, and this is package. So we need to see where this is coming from. I hate that it automatically makes it a package because it's not what I want. Let's see if we can search for it. Whoops. All right, let's see. Import. I wonder if there's a problem here. What's going on? Failed to load focus mode page start. Okay, so that's the test. Let's go into our test folder. Focus mode, page, start, and this is package. It's probably this. We probably just want it to be dot dot source, right? I don't know why this is a package. Source slash isn't it just source shelf dart? Like, what's going on? Oh, I see. This isn't in the source folder. It's just in lib. No, lib. Let's see, dot dot slash. It's this one, right? I don't know why it keeps changing the package, honestly, but that should fix it, I think. Oh boy. We really messed up our tests somehow. I wonder what I did wrong. Example widget test dart. This is also the same. And then also, since I'm running that, instead of running git push, we'll just do flutter dot slash lib test. Oh, flutter test. Ugh. Why is it doing this? I didn't touch anything, but it's breaking now. I don't think we broke anything. Okay, I think what's happening is the blocked app pages. Yeah, we're importing the wrong ones here. So this should be dot dot slash dot dot focus mode, and it should be dot dot slash dot dot. Honestly, we just stop it here. I wonder if compiling, like building it, also fails. Like building the app. All right, let's see if this works. Yeah, we did stop midway through, so it's kind of explains why we're getting a lot of failures here. But we just have to figure it all out very slowly, and we'll get it done one at a time. I think I'll start by looking up this error. All right, it says that we need to assign the type, but we do assign the type. I guess this is a lesson learned to always do increment testing. Okay, so, oh, our app does not work. Oh, whoops. Uh, it does work, it just, okay, so our app works still. It's just that along the way, our testing infrastructure is upset at us. So we just have to find why. Why is it upset? Yeah, this is fine. Our test is working. Let's go to the focus mode. Let's see. Yeah, I don't think I changed this settings page, so I don't know why it is causing issues. Schedule page test.dart. So let's go to that file. Let's see what it's complaining about. It doesn't seem like there's any issues. Check schedule. Okay. What line is this? Why does it never tell me what line this is? User profile dot get schedule. Let's see. So this is going to be in the schedule page, and it's going to be here. All right. And that brings us back to our personal profile. Get selected schedule. I feel like I always run into this error, and I don't know how to fix it. Do I just start going into each one? Like these all look like they're good. Oh, I see. Okay, I see. Um, doing this export shelf file attaches it to the package. And so now this focus mode page. Okay. So actually what we should be doing here is we should be importing the package here. But why is personal profile not? I see. This is supposed to be source, profile, profile shelf.dart, and then Something like that. That seems to work. Okay. Uh, it's still the same 4. Compilation failed. I don't have a main test. All right, I think I have to refactor everything to use package. I think. Or maybe we can do this and we can search it into Bard and see which one's better. Hmm. All right, so let's see. Package import imports classes from public packages or other parts of your project. Clarity, flexibility, maintainability can be slightly verbose. Import from library uses relatives paths, can be more concise, may be helpful for internal development when the project structure is relatively stable, less clear, prone to breaking if you move files around, or changing the project structure can lead to confusing import statements if you have multiple files with the same name. All right, so you prefer package imports. Okay, cool. So we do have to change quite a bit so that our code is clean. Oh boy, this is going to be a little bit of a overhaul here. So the first thing we need to change is our fake personal profile, and we're going to want to do source slash profile shelf.dart. And I believe that the profile profile, yeah, there's just one profile shelf, so we don't need this. And let's see if we still get an error. It'll probably just spit out more errors of other things that we did wrong. All right, focus mode page. Uh, all right, so this one is in focus page, profile shelf dart. Sorry, my dad was calling me. Let's see. Profile app. This profile doesn't do anything. Does focus mode header use anything? It does. So maybe we can just, maybe it's asking for it here. Maybe that's why it's causing an issue. Wow, there's a lot more errors now, it feels like. Alright, homepage header is now upset. Honestly. Okay, so fake personal profile. Okay, it's already doing that. So why is it upset? Maybe something like this? That work? Or are you gonna yell at me again? Alright, yelling at me again? That's great. Okay, I feel like I'm breaking more and more things. I don't know what caused all this. Compilation failed for test path. I forgot where I put. I feel like things are breaking because things aren't connecting properly. Alright, let's just take it one at a time. The argument fake profile can't be assigned to fake personal profile. Fake personal profile is from fake test profile, fake profile dart. And personal profile is from libsource. That doesn't make any sense. I'm so confused on what's happening. I don't get it. For some reason library the libraries are different, and so it's arguing about it, but we've imported everything properly. So it just doesn't make sense why it's not working. Let's try to clean this up. Let's see. Fake profile, fake personal profile. All right. For this, we probably also need to do package focus. So I think what's happening here is that the main shelf also needs to be a package. That's probably why we're getting an error on main model. So let's see if that works. And hopefully we can regress back to our 4 errors instead of 7. We're getting a different error now. Kind of. Okay. Homepage test.dart as well. So these two things also need to be here. So this goes away, this, oh, whoops, highlighted everything. And this goes away, and we put this here. Let's see if that fixes it. Just slowly starting to try and clean up everything. It seems like we're honestly breaking more and more. Home page. This doesn't make any sense. I didn't even touch the home page. And now it's failing. It probably has something to do with the fact that we're not loading things in properly. How do we clear a terminal? VS Code, clear terminal. Control Shift P. Oh, that's for the... Sure. What is going on? Like, my entire VS Code is just... It feels like it's not working. Sorry if I'm not talking too much. I feel like I'm just concentrating on getting this working. It's so odd that everything just breaks if you decide to use package instead of import. And it seems like it's the right way to go, so we just have to get it to work. Now we're only getting 1 out of 9 that are working. Alright, let's see. Router.dart now. Now this is broken. So let's see. Alright, so it seems like we need a lot here. Let's try and just get the different packages going. Source. Get. We'll start to import these. Schedule shelf. Seems like there's a schedule shelf dart, but seems like I can't find it. Focus mode. Why is this red? Oh, because there's probably an incorrect. Oh, it's because it's incorrect where I'm at right now. So this is okay, it's in focus mode, schedule. shelf. All right, what else do I need? This isn't even alphabetical order, which kind of makes me annoyed. But on the bright side, when we're done doing this refactor, what's nice is that when you auto import things into Flutter, it is a package. And so this actually makes it easier to just have better like future practices, I guess. All right, that's most of them. So hopefully that's enough to make things work again, maybe. All right, everything's still broken. It's just breaking because it can't find specific models and whatnot. Main Dart is broken as well. So we need to just import all of this. Package, focus, source, focus mode, schedule. I also wish that it didn't have the ellipses so I knew what I was typing. All right, there we go. Let's also do this one. Source profile shelf. And we'll also do the main shelf. Cool. Cool. This should be good for the most part, right? As soon as I saw it fail, I might as well just keep reading. This is failing in schedule page. The personal day schedule.dart. Oh, Dart fix? Wait, does Dart fix do that? Wait, hold on. Maybe this just automatically fixes it for me. 4 proposed fixes. Unused import, prefer constructor. This doesn't really blocked app page.dart. No. So confused. Oh. Okay, it's saying, where is this line? Here? Day schedule. But that's what I already have. So confused. Personal day schedule is from package, but personal day 2 is from lib source. This can be caused by inconsistencies. Check all your files and make sure all your includes are consistent. Uh, Flutter clean. All right, let's try that. Flutter clean and Flutter pub get. And we'll test it. That did not fix it. Flutter import issue between package and library. I just like I understand that I have two different packages and they're essentially calling different types, but how how can I resolve that without having to like I want to resolve it by just using imports. It's the problem. I don't understand why error error compile failures in Dart are so complicated. Identify the duplicate file. Um, okay. Okay, I see. Everything is being broken because of all the other files are also broken. So we need to go into each one of these and we have to import. We have to go into each of these pages and we have to import the proper packages. Let's see if that works. Okay, 8, 8, and -8, that's good. It means that some things are working. So that seems to have fixed it. Now we need to do that for everything, right? Let's open a new terminal. Let's load this up just so we get one error so I'm not getting confused when I'm scrolling up and down. And let's look. So I'm guessing homepage test start. So that means that the home page is probably the same, right? Focus page, reusable homepage header, personal profile Dart, and shelf Dart. So that probably fixes that. And let's see, this one here as well. All right, we don't have to worry about this one. Let's see if anything fixes that. If everything goes right, we should have a little bit less. Nice. And then the last thing would be, okay, debug off is fine. And we want to check schedule page test.dart. And now we have to go into, well, actually let's close all to the right because we just want to clear all the pages. And let's go to schedule page test.dart, right? Schedule page test.dart right here. And so now we have all the packages here, but all the packages may not be imported properly in this area. So let's check it out. So this one seems like it's good. Seems a little bit weird to have two modal sheets. That's okay. Seems that's okay. Seems that's okay. What else? Schedule modal sheet. Package is good. This one also looks good. And that one also. Well, actually, I don't know if the reusable ones look good. No, they don't. Clear this. And this is a package. This is not a package, but we'll fix it anyway. This isn't done yet. Package. Not a package. Yeah, there's just like a lot of inconsistencies here. So I'm glad that we're doing this now rather than later when we have to figure it all out. Or when we just have inconsistencies up the wazoo and we just don't know what to do. This is okay, I think. I also think that there should be an import while we're at it. Package, focus up, source. Is it source? What is this? It's under utilities. Source, utilities, reusable, shelf. Dot dot. And let's do this one as well, just to be safe. If we did this from the beginning as well, then we also wouldn't have had to worry about this. If I hover over it, will it show? Or hold control? I guess not. Okay, cool. All right, that's the reusable modal sheet. And oh, I was just going over all the reusables, right? Okay. Let's clean this up. Cleaned up already. Not cleaned up. And this is good. Okay. So we went over all of these. So let's see if that fixed everything now that we did all of the reusable scaffolds as well. 9 and 7. Wait, did that get worse? I think I just made it worse, didn't I? Oh, I wish it was easy to go back. Yeah, it did get worse. I just made it worse, but that's okay. That's okay. Things shouldn't be getting worse unless we did something wrong here. Let's see. Yeah, there's nothing wrong here. I doubt that this is the problem. We just have to keep at it. So, yeah, this is probably failing because, yeah, we have this. And we also have this, honestly, I don't even know if we need, like, if that's really a problem here. Okay, yeah, see? It, like, now we're getting 9 out of 7. I think that's slightly better. All right, let's see. Schedule page, test.dart. Oh, I feel like this is just going to be a giant refactoring session, which is fine, but you know, it is a hassle to do these sometimes. And it also kind of bums me out because obviously I want to do more fun stuff, but it's important. All right, relevant error, schedule page, modal sheet dot dart. Let's see. I'm sure that once we get, excuse me, I'm sure that once we get to a certain point, these will all start to fix itself. But right now it's kind of hard to tell, like what's breaking. Honestly, let's just do a search for import, comma, dot, slash, like that. And let's just replace all of them, right? This is probably the best thing to do, and then if this doesn't work, then I'm not sure what I'm doing wrong. Maybe even this. I'll just make everything a package. Also, yeah, we'll just import everything. I think it's just giving me so much of a headache that it's better to just replace everything than to try and map out where everything is. Is this focus mode, schedule page dot. It just feels like good practice for understanding my directories. Just trying to come up with anything that makes this feel less painful than it is, honestly. Alright, let's see what else is there. Screw it. We'll do this too. We'll just do everything. Make sure that everything is header. What is this? The home page? I haven't touched this in forever. Source, home. I should just copy this, honestly. Home. Better. And one more for safe measures. Slash home. Where's slash settings? Oh. Okay, cool. And the last one here is import personal profile Dart. Don't we have personal profile Dart? Oh, that's in debug. Okay. Isn't personal profile in this? It is. So let's do import slash profile.dart. Okay, that's all of those. Let's see if that fixes anything. And then while we're searching, we'll also search for these. See if there's, okay, there's a bunch of them. I guess we'll just continue on. I feel like there has to be a better way to do this. So if I am hurting your eyes and you know of a better way to change or refactor all of these, let me know and save me from doing all of this next time, because I'm sure there will be a next time. Slash focus mode slash mode page that darts. All right, that went by a lot faster. I realized that you can search for things not like directly, like you can just type a keyword and it'll look it up. So we're gonna try doing that more often. Reusable. So for example, if we do shelf, it'll just auto populate that easy peasy. Honestly, can we just do this? Oh, we can. I'm dumb. I can just do this. Minus that. All right, we're almost done with this. Hopefully. All right, now if this doesn't work after all of this, I have no idea what to do. I will probably cry a little bit. All right. There is nothing left. Absolutely nothing left. And there's still errors. But 12 minus 4. So there's hope. One of them is the disabled test. So let's change that to false. And let's get that out there to make it -3. And then we can see which tests are still failing. Okay, let's see here. First one is focus mode page test start. So let's close all and start over again. All right, focus mode page test start. Finding header icon. All right, this is getting issues from focus mode page start at 23. And that's focus page menu. Focus page menu? Wait, what? Oh, focus page menu here. Why are you angry at me? Even this is broken. Let's try this. Let's try seeing what Google says about this failure. Oh, I think there's an update to future providers. I should have read the patch notes. Okay, we need to All right, first let's update all of our Flutter update dependencies. All right, let's do this. Let's upgrade all of our dependencies and see if that works. All right. All right, and let's see if that helped at all. We might have actually broke it even more, but let's see. It's definitely taking longer. All right, still -3. I wonder what's causing this issue. What if we just put this entire stack in Bard? See if we can get anything here. Why is it only this one? It's only focus mode page test. Why? What is wrong specifically with focus mode page that I am not getting? Oh, it's the model. Oh, it's not understanding the model. What do we do if this isn't going to work in a test build? Okay, what if we do this? That makes sense. This isn't working because the focus mode page is where we create a model, and the model is used by grabbing what happened here? Oh, I see. Hold on, wait. It's giving me issues. Let's just do this. Something like that. So focus mode page isn't loading properly because what's the last thing? Schedule page test.dart. All right. Schedule page isn't loading anything. It might be because our schedule page isn't loading anything. Okay, schedule profile is not loading anything. And it's failing on check schedule page default elements because we're not using we're not using the debug profile, right? Oh, we're almost done. We're almost done. We just need to figure out why this isn't working. It says that work schedule isn't being found. Schedule and is that the default value of the schedule page model? That's what I'm wondering. Oh, I see. It's work schedule 1 now. You changed it to work schedule 1. So work schedule 1. All right, let's try that. That should fix it. Small little nuance change. And the reason why this isn't working right now is because it is currently broken. This test is currently disabled because we currently have a setup that grabs information from a device which we currently haven't figured out how to mock yet. And I don't know if we could ever mock it, but we can try. Control Alt C, Control Shift C. That's not it. Control C. I forgot what my I always forget what it is. Comment. Control Alt. That's what I did. Control Alt C. Control Alt C. Oh, now it works. Okay. All right, cool. So we finished all of that. Let's say clean up, import headers and disable tests not working. And we can, I think that the way this is done is with a semicolon, like that. All right, let's see. All right, cool. All right, we pushed our changes. Lesson learned, smaller incremental changes, because that was just a headache to try and change small little things and figure out what was wrong, especially since I was jumping back into it after coming back from a little bit where I don't necessarily recollect everything. And obviously, like this, 31 files changed, and the other time I had like an insane number of lines. So glad that we got through that. Hopefully, I can remember where I was the next time that I do a coding session and we can get back to it. Maybe we might even start with fixing our test and then we'll continue, but we'll see. I've been leaning away from the test driven mindset because even though I think it's the most stable and the most secure and it's important to test everything, I think that for a minimum viable product, it's a lot of overhead. And it honestly feels like I'm slowing down when I should just be trying to push everything out as fast as I can. So let me know what you think. Which way is better? If I should just keep on going with safety, or if I should just try and push out the feature as fast as I can so that you guys can get it. If you liked the video, then subscribe so that you guys can watch the next session. Hope you had fun. Hope you're productive with me. And I'll see you in the next video. Peace.